The Irrigation Leak Detection and Line Location Kit by LeakTronics. LeakTronics is the industry's leading manufacturer of non-invasive electronic leak detection equipment. Using the most modern advancements in listening technology, mapping and tracing irrigation pipes and accurately locating leaks is easy. The irrigation kit from LeakTronics comes complete with all of the equipment necessary to identify where irrigation lines are underground, to pressure test those lines, and to listen for the precise area where leaks occur. The heart of LeakTronics listening equipment is the LT1000 amplifier. With its highly sensitive listening capability and meter technology, users can both hear and see the effect of sounds made from leaking pipes. Using the ergonomically designed soil probe allows users to hear and identify the location of leaks through soil, aggregate, and landscapes, as well as under concrete and solid surfaces. The location of leaks are easily revealed by the sounds emitted through PVC, plastics, copper, or any kind of pressurized pipe. Users can also identify the location of irrigation lines when listening for the pulsating sound created by the included PG2 pulse generator. By simply attaching the PG2 to an active water line, the device injects a gentle and easily audible pulse into the water in the line. Using the soil probe, irrigation technicians can listen for the exact location of pipes wherever they lay. This allows users to mark the areas where irrigation lines are buried, so when testing for leaks, technicians know exactly where to listen. Learn more about the Irrigation Leak Detection Kit and all of LeakTronics' professional leak detection equipment and training programs by visiting LeakTronics.com.